Johnny Palermo, an Omaha police officer, appeared in federal court today. He was the first of 4 to go in front of the judge. He's facing 15 charges that include wire fraud and honest service fraud. He pleaded not guilty to all. Prosecutors didn't want him out on bond as they mentioned he could be a flight risk. A special agent took the stand to present evidence against Johnny Palermo. Prosecutors allege he distributed drugs while working as an officer, traded drugs for sex, and may have tipped off drug dealers, among other things. They also say he might have relation to 2 gangs. In the cross-examination, Johnny Palermo's attorney asked for the evidence of the gang relations, and he says it's just speculation. The judge denied bond today, saying Johnny Palermo can't be trusted. That means he'll have to wait into his cell until at least July for the next court hearing. Then City Council member Vinny Palermo, former officer Richard Gonzalez, and fundraiser Jack Olson all appeared in court at the same time shortly after Johnny Palermo was arraigned. Prosecutors say they have roughly a terabyte of information that includes bank records, call transcripts, and more in the case. The attorney asked if they can get some extra time by bringing witnesses in for cross-examination. All 3 pleaded not guilty to all counts. Prosecutors say all men are a flight risk. They allege Vinny Palermo accepted services like airfare, hotel accommodations from retired officer Richard Gonzalez and Johnny Palermo in exchange for him using his influence in a public official to their advantage. Prosecutors say Gonzalez abused community engagement money and accused him of obstructing of justice as they asked how to delete evidence from phones. Jack Olson is accused of taking roughly 80% of the donations he would collect and using it on gambling and in some cases sex services. All 3 will be back on court on Wednesday morning hearing their arraignment as they are still behind bars tonight. Reporting Jessica Salinas, Fox 42 News.